Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today I will present the introduction for our comparative study of human resource management practice between Nestle Malaysia and Adabi consumer industry. Human resource management or HRM plays an important role in ensuring organization success by managing employees effectively. In today's competitive environments, strong HRM practice are needed to improve employee performance, motivation and overall productivity. Good HRM also helps company attract, develop and retain talented workers. In this study, we compare two companies from the same industry, which is Nestle Malaysia and Adabi. Nestle, a multinational company operating in Malaysia since 1912, applies structure and global HRM system. Meanwhile, Adabi, established in 1984, is a well-known local Malaysia company with HRM practice that follow local laws, culture and halal standard. These two organizations were chosen because they are operate in the same food manufacturing sector, allowing for a fair comparison between a multinational corporation and local company. The scope of this report focuses on 4 HRM areas: training and development, performance and evaluation, remuneration and compensation, and occupational safety and healthy. Through this comparison, we aim to identify similarities, difference, strengths and weaknesses to provide recommendations for improving HRM practice, especially for local companies.
Next, I will present a comparative analysis of training and development practices between Adabi consumer industry and Nestle Malaysia. In the food manufacturing sector, training is essential because employee competence affect product quality and safety. At Adabi, training is mainly practical and operational, focusing on the job learning in production tasks, food hygiene, quality assurance, and halal compliance. These sessions are delivered by internal experts or local training bodies, and although Adabi provides some development for supervisors, these programs are limited and centered on daily operational needs rather than long-term growth. In contrast, Nestle Malaysia adopt a far more structured and strategic system. As part of a global corporation, it offers a digital learning platform, workshop, leadership pathway, and international mobility opportunities. This support long-term talent development and aligns with Armstrong's view that competency-based training enhance engagement and succession planning. In summary, Adabi focuses on operational readiness and compliance, while Nestle emphasizes continuous learning, leadership development, and global competitiveness, reflecting how organizational skill and strategy shape HRM decisions. Next, I will explain the comparative analysis of performance evaluation practices at Adabi and Nestle Malaysia. Adabi uses a traditional annual appraisal system focused on operational KPIs like productivity, attendance, food quality, and compliance. The process is supervisor-driven, providing clarity by limiting employee involvement in goal setting and restricting opportunities for development. Nestle, however, use a modern continuous performance system with regular check-in, quarterly reviews, competency-based assessment, and 360-degree feedback for leadership roles. This offers a more holistic view by emphasizing communication, collaboration, and innovation. Overall, Adabi systems support operational efficiency, while Nestle's approach promotes continuous learning, fairness, and long-term strategic development.
Hello everyone. For remunerations and compositions, Adabi and Nestle Malaysia use a different approach based on their size and goals. Adabi focuses on a simple and cost-effective reward system that fit on the local market. They offer competitive salary based on Malaysia's industry standard, along with annual bonus. Their compensation structure is straightforward, easy to understand, and help maintaining internal fairness while controlling operational costs. This approach suits Adabi as a medium-sized local company. On the other hand, Nestle Malaysia apply a global standard composition system. They offer performance based on bonus, strong retirement benefit, and comprehensive medical insurance for employees and their families. Nestle also provides wellness programs and clear career development opportunities, including training and international mobility. These benefits help attract and retire highly skilled talent. In terms of strength, Nestle provides a more complete and attractive reward package, while Adabi competitive locally through practical and cost-efficient compositions. However, Adabi's limited benefits may make it harder to retain top talent. For Nestle, the challenge is managing high operational costs due to extensive global benefit. According to Mikovic and College, a well-aligned compensation system increases employee motivation, satisfaction, and performance, making it a key driver of a long-term organizational success.
Both Adabi and Nestle Malaysia follow the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, but their safety system are different. Adabi focus on basic safety. They do safety audit, emergency drill, and check the workplace regular. Their method is reactive, meaning they act after they see a problem. They follow the law, but they do not prevent hazard early. Nestle Malaysia has used a better and more proactive safety system. They use the SHE management safety system, follow international standards, and use digital tools. Nestle try workers encourage teamwork and promote a strong safety culture. They try to prevent risk before accident happen. According to JOS 2019, a good OSH system should be created not only for legal compliance. It should focus on early risk detection and employers' behavior. In conclusion, both companies follow the law, but Nestle has a strongest and more modern safety system. If Adabi use private foods like Nestle, they can improve safety and employers' well-being.
Now, in the discussion of finding, we found that Adabi and Nestle Malaysia apply HRM practices that match their organizational size, strategy, and resources. Although both operate in the same Malaysian food manufacturing industry, their HRM approach differs significantly. Nestle use more advanced, globally aligned HRM system supported by international best practices. This includes strong training performance and continuous performance evaluation and strategic compensation structure. Research by Rahman and Anwar shown that holistic HRM system improve employee ability and long-term competitiveness, which align with Nestle approach. Meanwhile, Adabi focus on operational efficiency, halal compliance, and cost control. The training and performance management system are simpler, more traditional, and more compliance-based. These support daily operation but offer limited long-term development. This reflects Armstrong's view that HRM must fit organizational context but may fall short in strategic talent growth. In compensation, Nestle offers comprehensive global standard reward which support retention and motivation. Adabi provides basic, locally competitive pay which is maintain affordability but may reduce its ability to retain ambitious or high-performing workers. Overall, Nestle HRM practices are more strategic, integrated, and future-oriented, giving a strong competitive advantage. Adabi, however, could improve by adopting a continuous feedback, structure development program, and enhance benefit. These findings support recent HRM literature that organizations must evolve their HR strategies to stay competitive and meet changing employee expectations.
In conclusions, the comparisons between Adabi and Nestle shows that both companies apply HRM practice that suits their organizational size, strategies, and market positioning. Nestle, as a multinational company, operates with advanced global HR systems such as structures, performance management, strong leadership pipeline, and comprehensive compensations. Adabi, however, adopt a more practical and locally focused approach that fits its role as a domestic manufacturer. Finding highlight that organizational context shape HRM practice. Nestle needs sophisticated global system due to its scale, with Adabi emphasize cost efficiency, halal compliance, and local work cultures. However, both companies still have area for improvement. For Adabi, key recommendations include establishing structures, leadership developments, clear career pathway, continuous performance management with digital tools, and upgrading its benefit package. This improvement can help Adabi strengthen employee retention and build a future-ready workforce. Meanwhile, Nestle should enhance local adaptations by outlining global HR policy with Malaysian cultures, streamlining complex global procedures, and boosting local partnership with university and training institutions. This will ensure better culture fits, operational efficiency, and stronger engagement among Malaysian employees. Overall, the study shows that effective HRM require the right balance between global standardizations and local relevance. By learning from each other, both Adabi and Nestle can further strengthen competitiveness, employee engagement, and long-term organizational sustainability.